All right, so I just wanted to show the six different staples that came in this kit. I just used this one right here. I don't know if they're calling that a DE staple, but these three are just squiggly ones that are used for kind of stitching two pieces together. This one's showing how like a 90-degree angle break, which is kind of what mine was. There's actually seven. Oh, this little squiggly one here is just a different view of that F staple. I'm going to use this B/C staple, and I think they call it a BC because there's like an inverted one, and then there's one that goes the opposite way. And I'm just actually I'm doing preventative maintenance. I thought I'd do it this side. Now I could have used this on this side initially, but I just used the ones they call a DE in this diagram. And this instruction kit shows you, like, I've fixed a bumper on my truck step bumper. You can fix fan blades that's showing you. I mean, just so many things you can put back together. And like I said, sometimes it's stronger than it was before because you've got now like a steel structure inside the plastic. But I'm just, as preventative maintenance, I'm going to just do this side so it won't break off when I'm shaking down my diapers into the trash bag to make more room. But sometimes I'm a little apprehensive putting these in. I've seen it spark before, and I'm afraid I'm going to get shocked. But this one here, because everything's in place, again, I didn't use this on this side because I needed to get it to hold itself. But you can see the LED light turn on, some smoke, and I'm just going to submerge it down into the plastic. And again, I'm just creating like a kind of a steel framing inside of the plastic to give it more structural stability. You can see I came through a little bit there. I could always heat it up and back it out a little bit. You can see this side I came through a little bit, but yeah, I'll probably do that just to, because I think this thing wants to be smooth as it meets its section. But and this is just kind of a part two to the part one I made to just show a different staple and capability. But thanks for watching.